Hi, I am Hamza. We are going to learn how to apply a touch-it activity. Before starting, let me explain some points about the activity. Let's start with the aim. The aim of the activity is to encourage observation of the classroom environment and to make sure students mix freely with each other in a friendly atmosphere. Then, level. When it comes to level, you can use this activity for all levels based on your content and purpose. For instance, in this video we use it for A1 and A2 level learners. Then the time. You can adjust the time according to your limits. For instance, we set it to 10 minutes in this video. Now, we can talk about the procedure. At the very beginning, students form a group in the middle of the classroom, but teacher should help them. Then secondly, teacher makes sure that the students have a wide space to stand in and move freely. And thirdly, the teacher then calls out the colors of objects in turn. For instance, touch something red, touch something white, touch something blue, etc. Students carry out the instructions as quickly as possible, but in this point, additionally, teachers should help them. Maybe they cannot understand, maybe they cannot know what to do. And lastly, teacher optionally can divide the class into groups and do it in the form of competition. For example, Group A, Group B, or Group Tiger, or Group Lions. Now,